Yeah, 3 videos about the depressing death of my dog. One of my dogs, I have 2. Yeah, Chewie is fortunately no longer with us. Yoda's still going strong, so you see the dogs in my picture. That's because he's still alive. Chewie didn't make it. It is what it is, you know? It's life. Life fucking sucks and you fucking die. Make the best of it as you can and go on. We had a great 16 years with Chewie. I think he was 16. I think he lasted 16 years. I believe that's what happened. Always there for us. He had a good time around us, and yeah, he was a cool dog. He'd come by his name, his tail was always curled up, he'd wag it sometimes. And it was just like this hooky, like a hook and a wag. It was interesting to see. He'd look up with his big brown eyes all the time. Sometimes sniff at you. It was nice to know he was there. If you didn't notice him, he'd come and pat you with his paws. I think I already said that. Sometimes he'd run from you, and even when he was outside, we thought it was going to rain away, and he'd stop, and he'd wait for you to come to him, and then he'd run again. And then he'd keep doing that for a while, until we finally brought Yoda over there, and he'd have to come to where Yoda was, and we could pick him up. Eventually I got to the point where he would sit in his bed. He kind of had an OCD thing, where everything had to follow what he was used to. Yes, the dog actually had OCD. I know you're probably like, yeah, right, Liz Ann. There is a dog with OCD, but he had OCD. Remember, Liz Ann. I don't go by Liz because there's unfortunately another person by the name of Liz Oswald. Not that I have anything against her. I didn't mean to have the same name. It was an accident. So now, Liz Ann. Or Elizabeth Ann. Anyway. Yeah, I know, I'm a cold bitch. One of my two favorite pets has died. I'm not gonna shed a tear. I'm not gonna break down. I'm not gonna scream. I'm not gonna cry. I'm just gonna say this as plainly and Spock fucking like as I can. Emotions I do are joy, pissed off, you know, the usual shit. I don't do pain anymore. Not in the mood to break down and cry and do heartbreak. If you don't think that's very feminine, well, again, kiss my bony ass. I know you think it had a big ass, but no, bony as hell in the butt. I'm not gonna say all that shit right now. This is this thing. Me talking about the unfortunate passing of my dog. I'm not going to do my usual stuff. I wanted to make this one last video before everybody got here for a birthday. And for my great-grandmother. And for my... Oh, fuck. Hello. And for my grandmother's birthday. My great-grandmother passed a long time ago. My grandmother's birthday. Yeah, a bunch of people are coming. She's... Yeah. Anyway. Mine's on the 18th. Hers is on another day. I'm gonna be 45 fucking years old. I am an old bitch. And I don't care. Sometimes Chewie would just lay at her feet and be happy. Other times we could pick him up, sit him in a chair, could sit with Yoda on one side, Chewie on the other, just pet him and just sit there. Felt like some ancient Viking or something, you know, with the 2 dogs at the side on the big throne thing. But it was really just me and a recliner with 2 mutts on either side. But it felt pretty great. Sit back and enjoy their company. But now I don't get to do that anymore. Now I just get the mist there, little poor bud. Yeah, no, you really want to see this closer for real, man. Ain't it just fabulousness? You can see how fucking much I suck at makeup. Oh, fuck. As I said, Yoda's still here. Hey, bud. Yoda, man. Yoda. Gray-haired face, everything. 20 years old. And I'm talking legitimately human-aged 20. This boy is can kick. You are a survivor, old man. Yes, you are. You are a survivor. Yes, you are. Who knows? He may outlive me. Cute little thing. Anyway. I thought Chewie was gonna stay with us for a while. I thought he lost the old man. Didn't turn out that way. Shit happens, as they say. Life goes on. I buried my dog. Well, yeah. Was there for the burial of the poor Chewbacca. Buried him around the house, outside in the yard somewhere. I'm not saying I have a tendency to piss people off for less they don't want. It's for the poor dog to suffer for that. Not that anybody knows where the fuck I am, nor will you. All you know is I'm in Louisiana. That's good enough, Shreveport. That's all you need to know. Chewie will be missed. Well, we've all lost a pet. Hell, we've all lost people. Life goes on. Don't get to the thrill of living is gone, like the song says. And you just move on. I'm gonna miss waking up and seeing a little fart. Petting him behind his ear. Carrying him downstairs, because again, I'm up at the top of the stairs here. I'm gonna miss us all, just, all three of us hanging around. Well, 5 of us. Yeah. Now it's 4. Just doing our things, living life. It's an awesome week. Hey, I'm gonna fucking change the subject whenever the fuck I can at this point. R.I.P. Chewie.